jumpers, Crossrope athlete Jenica here, and I have a challenge for you this week. It is sort of a workout, but not really. It is a challenge to just get up and move more throughout your day. Whether you are in your business attire, at work, or at home on those Zoom meetings all day, or if you are in your casual jeans and a t-shirt, or if you are in your pajamas, relaxing and lounging all day, whatever you're wearing, grab a rope and move your body. The challenge is 5 quick sets spread out throughout your day whenever you can squeeze it in. You don't have to do them all at once, but you could choose to do them all at once if you wanted to. But the idea is a quick little bit of work where you just get up, move your body. You might not even break a sweat, and that's fine. This is just a great way to get your body used to moving and add a little bit of movement into your day that doesn't take too much time and doesn't require a lot of equipment or even changing your clothes. However, always listen to your body and be smart. If you know that you cannot jump barefoot, then please put on shoes. If you know that you have ankle issues, do not jump in shoes that have heels. Be smart, be safe, and let's move our bodies. So we have 3 different levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. I use the Freestyle LE Crossrope for this because it is small, it is light, it is compact. I carry one with me everywhere. Yes, literally, I have one in my purse, I have one in my car, I have many of them, so there is always a Freestyle rope with me wherever I go. Easy enough to bring with you wherever you go. So, beginners, 50 jumps, 10 squats, 10 cross knee to elbow crunches, standing. Our intermediate, 100 jumps, 20 squats, 20 cross knee to elbow standing crunches. jumpers, you get to do 200 jumps, 10 squat jumps, and 10 reverse lunge to cross knee to elbow So it's a little more intense for the more advanced jumpers. So when we say advanced, we don't necessarily mean that you are into all sorts of crazy tricks. It means that your fitness level is a little more advanced. Squeeze them in when you can, and let's move our bodies more. Hopefully this helps you get up out of that chair and move a little bit, get some endorphins going, and help you feel better about your day. And you can build from there, and you could even add this in addition to your regular workouts if you're already working out regularly. But it is a well-known little fact that a lot of us sit too much throughout the day. So break it up with some ropes, with some squats, and with a little core work too. And you don't even have to get on the floor. Hopefully this helps you out. Hopefully you enjoy the challenge. Like, share, subscribe, and keep enjoying the Crossrope YouTube channel. Happy jumping!